So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to avoid scammers on Bybit P2p. So in recent time now, many people are getting scammed on the Bybit P2p due to their ignorance of due to their mistake of not knowing how to use the Bybit new features. So I will walk you through step by step on how to avoid scam or how to avoid scammers on the Bybit P2p trading. So the first thing to do, you go to Bybit P2p. So after you go to the Bybit P2p, at the same time in this option now, the first thing to do, if you want to buy any coin, so if you come to the buy or sell, so these are the things you need to do before you place your trade. So the first thing to do, now you tap on this option, this filter at the top. After you tap on the filter section, here is it now. The filter is this one. So this is the filter option, this one. You tap on it. After you tap on the filter section, so the first thing to do, so now we go to this where it says show only eligible ads. Make sure you check on this option now. After you check on this option, now you choose the time you want to use. Most of the time, I will advise you to use the 15 minutes. After you choose the 15-minute or 30-minute, this depend on you. And then you tap on this sort by overall or complete order number, completion rate, price lower to lowest to highest. So if you want to just get like some good price, I'll advise you to use this one. Or if you want to get this complete number, order, or completion rate, so I'll advise you now to use this overall sorting. Just use this, leave it as it is. So now tap on the confirm. So by tapping on the confirm button now, as you can see now, so now you tap on this bank and specify the bank you want to use. So for this video, let's say you want to use all bank transfer, or you want to use a specific bank on your country. So for me, I will just use two banks, which is PalmPay and OP. I will tap on this confirm button. So now I'll be getting now only ads from these people that have this account on their payment method. So the next thing, you specify the amount. I tap on this option now and specify the amount you want to use. Let's say I want to use for 5,000 naira and confirm. After you specify the amount, so sometime here is what sometime if you specify the amount, you'll be able to get some people who are selling, their price is higher than everyone. You'll be able to see some people like the current price of the USDT is 85, as you can see now, 485. But you'll be able to see some people are selling it for like 1,500 naira, 1,600 naira. So if you select those people, they will not allow you to, like, if you select these people, they will automatically just place the order at, like, they paid. If you are selling, they'll just automatically place the order like at they paid you already, while you are waiting for them and they have not paid you. So from there, they will ask you to negotiate the real price. If you did not agree with the price they gave you, they will not allow you to release the coin, and they will not release your coin, and they will not leave you. So make sure whenever you come to buy or sell, do not trade with people that have their price is higher than everyone. If the price is like, as you can see now, if you look at the price is 85, this one is selling at 82, so it's somehow good. But if you look at someone, people are selling at 85, and if you look at someone who is selling at 1470, 1450, so avoid those people. They are scammers. Avoid those people, they are scammers. So I'll advise you, whenever you want to sell or buy, do not go with people that have a lot of, like, they have higher rates than everyone. So you may just see those people, one or two at the top. Most of the time, one or two people at the top. So avoid them, scroll to down and select someone who is legit, and is working. And the next thing to avoid now, do not repeat a trade with one person and the person that has like same price. Let's say you place a trade with this person for like 50,000 naira, and the person at the same time, if you come to, like, you want to sell another 50,000 naira, and you see the person with the same amount, do not buy it from that person. Go to second person, because if you place a trade with that person, he will just press the button that, like, he fed you, and then he will use the previous transfer button. He use previous transfer slip and send it for you in the chat that he have paid you. Or even if you apply, if I feel you have no option, because you use the same amount, and that you use the same price, and that he has the receipt from here, that slip, payment slip. So if he send you the payment slip that he paid you, so Bybit, if even you appeal, Bybit will look at the payment and they will see that yes, this is the amount you placed, that's 50,000, while you place the trade twice on his account. Avoid trading twice on same price for for the same person. And that's it, guys. So if this information helps you out, please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.